Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and we just finished installing this weatherguard partition in our RAM ProMaster City. This is the mesh style top with the steel bottom. It's also available with a window style that's fully enclosed right here. It's a super easy install because on the RAM ProMaster City, there's pre-threaded mounting locations here on the side B pillars, the top of the roof here, and down on the floor that make installation super simple. You just attach to this top part here, you attach the bottom part below, and then you put the mesh or the window in after. It's a super easy install. You can do it yourself. Now, the primary benefit of a partition is it protects the driver and the passenger in the event of cargo coming forward. And so this is something that you need in your van if you're going to be having any cargo or equipment or tools or anything in the back of your van. You just need this as a safety factor. Now, an additional benefit is it does help secure the cargo area of the van. So if someone does get access to the cab, they're going to have a heck of a time trying to get to the partition to get access to your tools or whatever it may be. So it does add another layer of protection for your cargo area. Now, this is powder coated white. It's in what weatherguard calls their bright white finish, so it matches the white color of the van, so it's a nice bright color. It's not going to be super dark in the back of your van. This partition does allow for plenty of legroom up in the cab. I have these seats pretty much all the way back and leaning back a little bit. There's plenty of room for me to fit up there. I'm about 6'2". This does come with a lifetime warranty from the factory, so if for whatever reason there's a manufacturer defect, you're covered by the warranty from weatherguard. Now, if you're looking for this partition or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.